Hi, so listen, I can't let any old dudes on this site, so I have to do the secret sound test on you. But don't worry, you'll pass for sure if you're young and cool like me.
Franco, you're about as cool as a hot dog in a hot tub.
Get out of my room, Peepa! Anyway, you guys ready? Follow me. Let's start this easy. Can you hear that? Oh, of course you can. That's barely 12 kilohertz. Even my grandma can hear that. Now let's take it to the next level. Did you hear that? That's 14 kilohertz. Then again, Uncle Bob could hear that. Keep going. Now we're up to 15 kilohertz.
I can hear it.
Oh yeah, this level's for young people only. And how about now? All right, you've nailed the 16 kilohertz level. Congrats, you're totally young and awesome. Now you can join me and the other winners at Fanta's Secret Sound website.
You? A winner?
Shut up! Peepa!
Delusions are a beautiful thing.
Fanta, Fanta!
Fanta.